Welcome to Moonstone Update. I'm Mark Beshard, the Managing Editor of Moonstone Publications. This is an overview of some of the stories we've covered over the past week, but first please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Moonstone's investment analyst, Rick de Klerk, is bullish on Bitcoin. His latest column looks at the evolution of the cryptocurrency from a gambler's den to an acceptable financial asset. He draws attention to Elon Musk's impact on the price of Bitcoin, what was behind the volatility of the past 2 years, the potential for self-regulation in the crypto industry, the relationship between Bitcoin and tech stocks, and the factors that may drive its future performance and adoption. Bonitas Medical Fund reported an increase in members and a reversal in the buying down trend last year. Principal membership increased by 4% and the number of beneficiaries rose by 2.4%. Bonitas experienced a net buy-up of 375 members following changes to its efficiency discounted options. The scheme's reserves rose to more than 8 billion rand, but this does not necessarily mean members can look forward to very low contribution increases. Online learning is ideal for people who are self-disciplined, independent, tech-savvy, motivated, and driven. It also requires commitment. 2 recent graduates and top achievers in Moonstone Business School of Excellence's Higher Certificate in Wealth Management share their experience of studying for this qualification while juggling home and career responsibilities. This accredited qualification provides learners with a foundation for various roles in the financial services industry or to kickstart their career in financial planning. The High Court has ordered Guardrisk to pay a construction guarantee of more than 15 million rand to NAD Property Income Fund. NAD and Bello & Kies Construction concluded a joint contract. Disputes between the parties were submitted to arbitration. In terms of an interim award, NAD undertook not to call up the guarantee until its disputes with Bello & Kies had been resolved. After BK was liquidated, NAD demanded payments of the guarantee. The competition for venture capital funding is fierce and securing a sizable slice seems now impossible, but South African Insurtech Naked shows that it can be done. In February, the company raised $17 million in Series B funding led by the International Finance Corporation. One of the 3 actuaries who founded Naked shares what it took for the startup to achieve critical mass in the market. Lawyers acting for a woman who claimed she was defamed were left red-faced when it was found that the judgments cited as reference material to strengthen their client's case were fictitious. Staff of the Johannesburg Regional Court scoured the country's courts and law libraries in vain for the judgments. The plaintiff's attorneys admitted the real source was ChatGPT. This is not the first case to raise questions about the use and abuse of artificial intelligence by legal practitioners, and our article explores the issues. The South African Revenue Service is cautiously optimistic that individual taxpayers who are auto-assessed will not experience any problems this year. It was not smooth sailing for all auto-assessed taxpayers last year. The glitches included incomplete or missing third-party information. Moonstone spoke to the South African Institute of Professional Accountants about what auto-assessed and other individual taxpayers can do to avoid hassles when filing their returns. Since at least the beginning of this year, most of the applications to the Financial Services Tribunal to reconsider debarments concern representatives who were debarred for dishonesty relating to insurance policies. The misconduct follows a familiar pattern. The representative is found to have issued a policy without the client's consent or to have doctored the client's details so that the client qualifies for cover. The financial services provider dismisses and subsequently debars the representative. The recent decisions handed down by the tribunal indicate that misunderstandings about debarments persist. That's all we have for this week. You can read these stories and many more on our website, moonstone.co.za. Until next time, here's wishing you all the best from the team at Moonstone Information Refinery.